This is the Valentine's Journey through Asia box off Amazon. And we're going to try all the snacks from there. Okay, the first snack that came out, what is it?
Here, I'll eat it. All it says in English is 21.
Let me see the package.
Yep.
Okay, this is what that is. And I'm going to pause it just while I open the candy bar because I have to put the camera down. Okay, so my opinion is that it tastes weird at first, but it has a really good aftertaste.
Yeah.
Yep. It's
That was a
good.
big bite.
It's good.
No, was it?
Good.
Letia, try some?
Again.
Oh, did Wesley not try some yet?
No.
Okay, let Wesley try.
No, let's see it try.
Yummy.
Okay, yeah, that's not too
See,
bad.
this is the last bite.
No, Scooby needs a bite too.
Yeah, Scooby is the last bite.
Scooby,
Yeah, right there.
Oculus, man.
Arthur,
Guys ready?
take Zachy.
Okay, hold on. So, what's the vote? Thumbs up for you would try it again? Thumbs down?
Done.
Okay, so this interesting 21 bar, everybody gets a thumbs up. All right, next. Arthur, go ahead and help the baby. All right.
This looks delicious.
I don't see any English writing. Oh, yeah, okay. It does say crab chips. All right, go ahead, open it.
All of us try some.
We're each gonna try
One.
one.
Gonna go this way.
There you go.
Shady takes one, pass it down.
Yep, take a chip and try it. You're not going to even try because it might just be flavoring.
Tree, come on.
Can you pass one to
I'll
Mom?
try it. I don't like crab either, but I'm gonna try it.
Good, you eat crab.
Can you pass me one, please?
This is really good.
How is it, Arthur?
It's actually good, even though I don't.
Give
like
one to
crab.
Zachy.
Good one to Zach. Is that really good, Mom?
That's different.
That first one was a Temmie baked grain crispy
This-
roll.
That one was good.
Bobo, want to try it?
No, thank you.
Okay, so can I
So
keep
you had
this
to do one,
rubber?
try one?
Say thumbs up or thumbs
You don't want to try one of those?
down.
Okay. Thumbs up or thumbs down to this one?
Zachy is a
Give my
thumbs up.
thumbs down.
So it looks like
Thumbs up.
I'm the only one out of everybody that tried it that really would pass on having more. If you guys want more, you may
I
have more.
kind of.
You're in the middle?
I'm taking this wrapper, Lizzie.
No, Lizzie gets to keep the wrappers, Lula.
Oh, I want to keep a wrapper. Ready for the next one?
Yep, let's see what's next.
That
Can I take claim to the spicy noodle?
Okay, so these are
Zachy,
the
why do
Buddha
you take-
spicy ramens. I'm not going to open this one because it requires cooking, but we have had these before, and these are really yummy, and they do have pretty decent spice to them. All right, let's go to the next one.
Trey.
Can I grab
I
one?
might make that one more.
Ooh,
candy bar.
okay. That one just says Choco Hem. Okay, go ahead and open it.
Ew.
Wesley, come on.
Thank you, Zachy. No, Zachy, stay. Arthur.
Take a small bite and pass it.
and pass it.
Arthur. Zachy, do you want a bite, bub?
That's
A bite?
Mm-hmm.
A bite.
Let me see the wrapper.
Go ahead and take a bite first.
I just want them because
Okay, one bite, Wes.
Bite. Got a bite. Everybody got it.
Choco Haze.
It's so good.
Pass it to Tia. Really good.
It is a choco hazelnut.
And then bite for Scooby.
This is
All right. Vote. Overall, everybody pretty much liked that one. What about you? Yeah?
Yep.
All right. Next,
So good.
white chocolate.
a white hem. So almost the same, but white chocolate version.
Okay.
It's Haim.
Exactly. One down that way.
Haim?
One down this way.
Oh, okay. Haim.
Check for me.
Choco Haim.
E-I-S.
Oh, okay.
Huge.
So Choco Haim.
Bobo, want to say something?
Then pass it to Mom. Or Tia. I'm gonna pass this to Mom.
The white one's just kind of okay. Yeah.
I like it. I like it.
Ooh.
We need some for Scoop.
Hey, Arthur.
You took it to
Arthur,
Have it, right,
hand me that.
Ooh.
Have the rest of it?
No.
No,
The thing you're hitting your arm against.
Oh, yay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Thumbs up if we will try it again. Thumbs down.
Definite thumbs up for me.
Definitely thumbs up for me.
All right.
What's not pushed in on? Arthur,
Oh,
is that
what's
pushed in?
this?
I'm going to pause for just a second to resituate. Okay, so here's our next one. And what did it translate into, Charlie?
It's supposed to be a vanilla or chocolate biscuit.
Oh, okay. Pass one direction and one the other. Take a bite.
Shot for me.
Arthur.
It's really good, Lizzie.
Mmm.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So
Here,
good.
Wes. Take that one to Tia.
So good.
Those are good.
Take that one
No,
to
thank
Tia.
you,
These are
Zaki.
really good.
Yeah.
Definite thumbs up.
No,
on-
Zaki.
Thumbs up.
You eat it.
Here, Liz, you can take it.
What do you think, Tia?
One.
That was pretty good.
All right.
Everybody
Next.
thumbs up.
No, this one.
Is there any left for Zaki to get a piece?
Yeah, Zaki got a piece.
Zaki didn't get a piece.
We got chocolate.
Let me see.
Choco pie.
Let me.
Choco pie.
Oh, it looks like the Asian
It looks like a
version
moon
of a
pie.
moon pie.
I will pass on that one.
Here, Zaki, you want some cookie?
I don't like these.
Cookie.
I
Say
I
thank
love
Here,
you.
go on the next one.
Can you
Okay?
pass it?
Yeah, but Mama
It just relax. Take a bite. So is it basically a moon pie?
I can't even feel it.
Let me try.
Good.
Hold on. Take a bite, Zaki. Okay.
Really gonna try anything.
That is way better than the American moon pie.
Can I try some more?
That is really
Definite
good.
thumbs up. Oh yeah.
Tia needs a bite.
So good. So good.
Yeah, definitely better than the American version. Voting?
Where's the chip package?
Cool. Treyu says kinda sorta. But
Can Lizzie open the next one?
yeah, well, Lula asked first and then Lizzie.
Okay.
Ooh, and
I asked
another-
to take it.
another bag of chips. After Lizzie will be Arthur. Okay.
Where'd the crab chips go?
These one has like
Yeah, where'd the crab
Here.
chips
Olops or Olos.
packages?
Olo.
All right, let's try it.
Let's
While he looks that one up, let's do another one. Hand Lizzie the next one. Here, Liz. And what does it look like?
I pass on this one. I don't like fruity fillings.
Okay. But
It's a victory pie with strawberry filling.
okay.
That one that Lula May has is Korean. It's a
Liz, don't open that one
Dagon
yet.
Delightful.
Okay, so some kind of
Lula
Korean
goes
chips.
first.
Okay.
Way over here. You'll get one. Okay, pass.
Give Zaki a few since there's a bunch.
Let me see the one you got.
Can I try? Your face is not saying kinda, your face is saying disgusting.
Ooh.
I haven't either.
Ooh.
He says no. Zaki
I
says
like
no.
these.
Guys, hand one to Tia.
Hand Tia a chip.
Oh,
Hand Tia two. One for her, one for Scoop.
Yummy!
Can I try the one Lizzie had?
Alright, that one's not open yet.
Yeah, it is.
It's all crumbled. So.
Okay, so what's the verdict on the chips, guys?
No.
I didn't even
So
try
this
one
one's
yet.
very-
I didn't try one yet.
Oh, okay. So that one is very mixed. Oh, Tia.
Lizzie, that one's for you to open.
It's open already.
Oh.
Can you give one to Liz? She didn't get to try the chips yet. And Arthur definitely says no on the chips.
Oh, that's the crab chip. That's the crab chip, Liz. You already had that one.
I'll take all of them.
Where did the sweet chips go?
okay,
Where'd the
now.
other bag of
Arthur,
chips?
are they by you still?
Yeah, they are.
Oh yeah, pass those to Liz. She hasn't got to try any yet.
I did. One. It was gross.
You didn't like it? Wow. Did you try it, Charlie? You got to try that one. It's a sweet chip.
I'm getting full of my own dinner. Yes,
Ew.
cheese and crackers for dinner.
Okay. Mom does not like the jelly thing.
I'm not
I'm
trying.
I'm gonna try.
I'm gonna pass. I'll pass this one.
I'll try it because I said I'll try
Of which one?
everything in it.
Yeah, next was Arthur. The next.
Oh, to open another?
Yeah.
Get once everybody else has. Arthur's next though.
And
And
then
then
Wesley's.
I want to do it again.
All right, go ahead, Arthur.
I like it.
It's
Oh, let's not argue, guys.
let's translate that over.
Oh, Laura? Is that what it says?
Yeah, Alora.
Oh, Laura. Okay.
No, it looks like OLLOL.
Oh, Ololo?
Yeah,
Ololo?
it looks like it's got a picture of a coffee and a slice of cheese.
Let me see it.
Cheesecake.
Okay, I'm gonna pause for a moment to open this one. All right, so these ones look different. It looks like a little stack of crackers. Here, guys, go. Take a little piece of cracker. This is what I got.
Can we just take one cracker?
No, there's not enough for you.
Ooh, those are good.
That's less.
Let me try one.
Can I have some?
It's like a cheesecake flavored cracker.
Here you go.
Those are legit. Very, very good. At least to me.
Kinda. Kinda.
You gotta try this one, Tia. It tastes like cheesecake. So we have two that don't like it, and
It's so good.
everybody else is saying thumbs up. Yeah, Tia? All right.
Ready, Mom? Here comes the next one.
She'll bring it back. All right. Zachy,
This one random.
what's next? Ooh,
Oh, a drink.
Korean soda.
our first drink. You can keep the can
Can I keep another can?
if there is one. All right, let
Yes.
me see what the
I
can
hope
looks like
there's
though before
another
you
can.
open it.
That's Korean on it. That's
All right, so whatever that is.
Grape.
All right, let's try it.
I don't know if I want to try grape.
I want it.
Grape flavored stuff is
You said you tried everything in the
Well, everybody's got to take one little
I
sip.
know.
I'll try it. I can eat everything.
There's something in it.
Okay, Lula.
Might be grapes in it.
Yum.
Yum.
There is. It says grapes.
It's
Yeah.
delicious.
It is.
Let me try some. Arthur says gross. Atreyu's face definitely said gross.
It was yummy.
It was yummy, but your face looked yucky.
What?
Package.
Man, that's so good.
I'm gonna try another sip to see if
I am joining the gross factor.
Can I drink the rest of it? I want some.
Oh, Tia,
I want some.
hold on. Let Tia have a sip, and then
I haven't had any.
yeah, Lizzie and Wesley.
Emmy.
You already had some.
I want more.
That was
Wesley,
no.
don't.
Sit, not chug.
Ready, Mommy?
It's really
Not yet.
good.
Hold on.
Okay.
I already told you no.
Wes.
Yeah.
Yum.
Delicious.
All right. So the vote on that one was very mixed. Some like and some don't like. Ew, you like that?
Look at me.
I got you. All right. Here's the next one. Another drink.
I get to keep that can.
No, I
Okay, stop.
And he said that can.
Can I open it, please?
Let him open one.
But first, open it right here.
Wesley
Scoob likes it
hasn't
too.
opened one.
Well, so that makes it about a half and half.
Wes, do you need help? Try this one. See, this might help you.
No, here, Wes, let Mom see.
No, I'll help you, Wes.
Can I see the can, bud, so I can get a picture of it?
Wes, Mom wants it.
No, you're gonna spill, baby. Let me see.
It looks.
Oh, this one's scary. It says Milky's on it, and it's got a picture of a moon and Mary Poppins. All right, original carbonated drink.
You got the other bottle, didn't you?
All right, let's see how that goes.
Yes, that one.
Oh, are you getting that?
Mom already said our things.
Yeah.
Mom said
Oh,
the next
okay.
can I can have.
Oh, I thought you said we wanted. My bad. Save some of those for Scoop.
Not that one, the next one.
Oh,
And I want to taste.
I've already been.
all right. I don't like that one.
So taste it. So good.
Meh.
So good. So good. So good.
I don't like that.
Someone made a choo-choo
Good,
choo-choo Charles face pie.
Whoa, Annie, you gotta make one of those.
Really good, was it?
Okay, calm down, Wesley.
Oh, that's the other.
Charlie, you gonna try that one?
I'll mind it.
My stomach's hurting.
You not gonna try any of the drinks?
Says,
Trey, you wanna try it?
Trey, come on.
Are you all
I
done?
think I ate too much cheese.
Trey, you? Are you done?
I'm doing it. I'm
No,
I'm drawing it.
Zachy, wait, baby.
I'm gonna draw it. You guys ready?
Yep, go ahead.
I'm opening after this.
Oh.
And that's this gets to open it.
Holy Korean as well.
I want to keep a can or something. No, Lizzie's keeping all the rest.
Where's the can, Annie?
I never got
So it looks like a chocolate.
Another chocolate cracker one.
Looks like a chocolate chip one.
Okay. Pass the other way, yeah. Let me try. Yeah.
this tiny piece.
Arthur gets the can so he can crush it.
Wes, do I get to try a piece?
I don't even get a can.
Thank you.
Can I draw this one, Louie?
Do I get to keep anything? Nah.
Oh,
Not even a can. Do I get to keep anything?
that's a very different cracker.
I want more.
It's sesame seed.
Yeah, it's got sesame seeds.
I want more.
That was rude.
Okay, go ahead.
Can I have more of the drink?
Yeah?
Does anyone want chopsticks?
Me.
Me.
Trey, you go ahead and go first. I got some somewhere
Thank
else
you,
that we
my
can have
can.
a nicer.
Oh.
Grow two things.
I
Can I open
get
one?
Mommy,
Can
have the
I
rest of
open
these.
this?
Yeah. One at a time, one at a time, one at a time.
All right.
Got to open this.
Let's see.
Yeah.
Let me see it again, Lula. Okay.
You just
Good job.
opened something. Liz.
All
Can
right.
I open it?
Oh, another 21 bar. We had one of those already. Let's save that one for Dad because he didn't get any.
This one's a chocolate one, though.
Okay, well, let's save that one for Dad.
Strawberry.
And another one of those.
I'm opening
Strawberry.
this one.
Okay.
I want to look at the
Leave this can. I gotta keep a can.
This one's cool. I like that package.
All right, let's see what this thing is. Can you see the cracker?
I
Arthur?
like sound cracker, but it's broken.
Oh, okay. Almost like a giant Oreo cookie.
Yeah,
only
but
want the
it's
wrapper.
Right.
Ow.
Yeah?
That's definitely good. So good. It's super good.
Yeah. That one actually is pretty good. Here, Wes.
One at a time. Why'd you guys open another?
Wes, please stop.
No, put it back.
I'm not opening it. I'm looking at it.
Put it back.
Ow.
That's very good.
Can I say yes on?
Me too.
I don't like this.
What's this one?
Never mind.
Where's the wrapper for that one?
Here,
Does
Arthur.
anybody else want it?
Ow.
Eat it.
Here's that.
Set that just back in the box for a moment.
Tia, you want to try this one?
Kind of look.
Yeah.
Scooby, dang it.
That one.
That one's pretty good.
What about this one?
Okay.
No, it's my turn. You just opened it.
No.
Here we go.
We gotta wait till everybody tries the.
Okay, finish the two that are already open.
Try that one and Tia.
Our next one.
You like food.
Our next one
Scoop does.
is strawberry yogurt.
Okay.
You go this way.
Excuse you, buddy. Your thumbs up? Cool. Most everybody, I think there's only one that didn't like that one.
Everybody said this one's good.
Yeah? Cool.
I don't like this previous one.
And that was the strawberry.
Yeah, I think Liz was the only one that didn't like the strawberry one. Tia wants more of it.
Can I taste
There's
the bite,
crumbs.
please?
Yeah, but
At
let me
least
write
I gotta
this
keep a can.
off. I want.
Actually, I will help you go through all of them
There we go.
tomorrow. And we'll put them on a piece of paper so you know which
Now
team
it's
is
good.
which, okay?
Yeah?
Mommy, hinting, Japan is next.
We need to do a Japanese box next. A Japan
Black and
box.
white one.
What do you all think out there? What country should we try next? It seems like the majority of this one was Korea.
Want some?
Canada.
Canada.
Japan says Canada has some of the best snacks. Japan.
All right, followers and friends, you're going to have to give us some votes. Should we go with Japan snacks or Canada snacks? Which country should we go next? Because obviously this one was the majority Korean. Yes.
Yeah. This one is what I vote.
I like that one.
And there weren't too many that weren't that great. Wesley, hold still, please.
What? So good.
Can I try that one?
That's mine.
So neither of the last two have made it to Mom yet.
I can't try one bite.
Where's the other skinny pink thing that you guys had? Mom didn't get to try that one.
It's really good.
Yeah, don't.
No, the other one that you opened.
I can't eat it.
I don't know. It's just
That.
in the group.
Okay, that thing was okay.
Do you want to taste it?
That's Scooby's. That's Bobo's.
Wait, it's the same ones we get at
And then
Walmart.
there's this one. I didn't really get a chance to.
They're all from Korea.
That one's my favorite package.
Those originate from Korea, Scooby.
I
No
want
matter
that
where you
wrapper.
buy it, they're from the same place.
Ooh, okay, this thing was really good. Mmm.
Why don't you?
Lizzie wants the wrapper.
Did you already get a bite? Scooby, do you want to open?
Okay, what's the last one?
I got to one. Can I have the Mom, can I have this wrapper?
No.
Lizzie gets all the wrappers.
I
They can
don't
have the
got
ones
to
with English
taste
on
one.
them.
I didn't even get to taste the strawberry. Here you go, Wesley. Did you try this?
I would like to see the wrapper on that one before.
No, Zachy. You're gonna make a mess.
Can I see the wrapper on the last one?
Yum.
Oh, this was Japanese.
Oh, was that one a Japanese one and not a Korean one? Awesome.
So,
I can eat them all.
So good. Mom, can I have a sip of your water?
you.
Coco
Sobi.
diet.
That's okay.
Okay.
Mommy, can I have a sip of your
Okay.
ice water?
Okay, Diaz.
Mommy,
Diaz.
can I have a sip of your water?
We haven't opened this
Different.
one yet.
Can I have some of this?
Yes.
Come on, wait.
Okay, our next one.
This one was really good
I
too.
didn't even get taste one. Here, Annie.
That's good. Okay.
Next one.
All right.
Cheese sand.
Okay.
Stop.
Over here.
Okay. Cheese sand of sorts.
Hand it over.
This is mine. Cheese crackers are good.
Can you bring me one, please?
Can I taste
Come
some,
on.
please? I'm trying it. Oh, there's cheese in the crack. Can I taste a bite, Mommy?
Oh, here's what my cracker is gonna look like. Let's see. Ooh. Okay, it's really bland. I totally expected more flavor in that. It's like, it seems like the comparison to an American Ritz cracker. Or not Ritz, like the sandwich crackers.
Yeah, tell me.
Did anybody
Let's
not
see
get
your
a
one.
piece?
And it smelled great, but no flavor. So what's everybody's overall experience on this box? Should we do another box?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Canada.
Yeah?
A Canada one.
All right, guys.
Chinese.
What do you think? After seeing what all was in this box, where should we go next? What should our next flavor be? Thanks for watching.